Most people think estate planning is just for the rich, but that's simply not true. In fact, every adult should have an estate plan in place, because without one, the court decides who gets your assets, not you. So what is estate planning? Estate planning is simply a plan to distribute your estate after your death. Your estate includes everything you own: your home, your bank accounts, investments, assets, vehicles, and even personal items. An estate plan ensures that those assets are distributed according to your wishes, not the government's. Up to 2/3 of American adults right now don't have an estate plan in place. And amongst millennials, that number climbs to over 75%. That means most people are leaving their families to navigate probate court after they're gone. And that's something that you can easily avoid. So why do you need to have an estate plan in place? One important reason: to avoid probate. It's a process that's costly, time-consuming, and everything's available to the public. So probate is the court-supervised process of distributing your assets after your death. And if you die without an estate plan in place, your assets are distributed according to state law and not your personal preferences. This process can take months or even years, cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in legal fees. Everything becomes available on the public record, exposing private family details. And it could also lead to family disputes and emotional distress. So how do you avoid probate? The best way to avoid probate is to create a living trust. Now, a trust is a legal arrangement where you transfer property into the trust to be managed and distributed for the benefit of your chosen beneficiaries. And the benefits of forming a trust are that you avoid probate entirely, you keep your estate private, you ensure your assets go exactly where you want them to, you provide for minor children or charities, and you save time, money, and emotional stress for your loved ones. Estate planning is one of the most important things you can do for your family, yet it's often overlooked. With a proper estate plan in place, you can avoid probate, maintain privacy, and have peace of mind knowing that your assets will be handled exactly as you intend. And trust me, your family will thank you for it too.